Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. My name is Gaël, I'm a customer success manager for Comeen, and today I am showing you how you can easily use our visitor feature through our Google Calendar add-on. We created the feature visitors in order to better welcome your guests at your office. The idea is to make the welcoming of the guests and visitors much safer and also simpler for the persons welcoming them. So let's see what visitors will bring to your teams and your guests. Once your administrator has installed you with our add-on, you will see appear in the right sidebar of your screen in Gmail and Google Calendar our add-on called Comeen Workspace. So to start using visitors, you'll just have to click on it, then to click on one of your meetings, such as this one, for example. Then, as you can see here, you'll be able to start configuring your add-on. So here, you'll just need to indicate to the add-on how you want to get notified. So here, I'll just click on Google Chat. Here, I can see that I haven't yet installed my Google Chat application. So what I need to do is to go to Gmail, as we can see it here, and start adding this new chatbot application. To set up our Google Chat application, just go to your Gmail account, then click on Chat, then click on New Chat, and here you'll just need to click on Find Apps, then type Comeen. You click on Comeen Workplace, and then you just need to click on Chat to add it. As you can see here, I have just installed my Google Chat application for Comeen Workplace purpose. So now I can just go back to my calendar and say, okay, I just added the app. Now that it is done, I can just click on next and grant authorization to Comeen Workplace so they can use my information for this purpose. Just authorize it, make sure that those authorization meet your own standards, and then you just need to click on an event to start using our visitors feature. Now that this is done, you can just click on this button Go to Comeen, which will permit you to access to this feature. As you can see here, I'll be able to select the building and the kiosk that will be used for this purpose. So the idea here is first to add guests. As you can see it here, I don't have any yet, so the feature wouldn't have much sense otherwise. So what I can do now is just to go on the meeting, to click on it to add guests. So let's say here, I could just add one person, but I can also add several persons. So here, let's say that we want 2 people in this meeting, but they could be less or more, of course. And once it's done, you just have to save your changes. And now to click on the event in order to select the building in which you want to welcome your visitors and also the kiosk on which they will be able to do their confirmation. So below you can see if you want to enable the sending of an email to those persons. That means that those people will receive email to confirm them that they are expected, for this meeting. So here, once it's done, you just can leave it like this, since it's already activated, or you can deactivate it for another person if needed. And if you need to disable this feature for this particular event, you can just click on the button below. But here, since we want those both people to receive the email and to be invited, we just click on Send Instructions by email. And here we can be sure that they will be notified about that meeting. And if you want to see the experience to the end, you can just click on disable Comeen for this event, and automatically the meeting will be unequipped with visitors. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it was useful for you and that you will be using our product visitors soon. If you have any other questions or remarks, please leave them as a comment below the video. And if you like the video, please think about leaving a like below it also. That was Gaël, Customer Success Manager for Comeen, and I hope to see you using our products very soon. Bye-bye.